Hi everyone. In this session, we will discuss IntelliJ IDE. Yes, you must be knowing about Eclipse IDE, NetBeans. So IntelliJ IDEA is an IDE similar to Eclipse IDE. So let's try to explore IntelliJ IDE. So first step would be you have to download IntelliJ IDEA. Now the question comes how to download this integrated development environment, which is IDE, IntelliJ IDEA. So you have to just go to Google, and if you Google or if you type download IntelliJ IDEA, so you will get this link of IntelliJ IDEA jetbrains.com. This is the official link for IntelliJ, and here you could see in the download section it comes for different operating systems. So this is for Windows, and if you have Mac OS, then you can click on this. You will get the options for downloading for Mac OS and similarly for the Linux. I have Windows system, so I'll go with this. And if you notice here on the screen, you will see two options. One is Ultimate and another one is Community Edition. So this Ultimate Edition is the licensed version, and which is used in the enterprise for web and enterprise development. And this is for Community Edition, which is open source, and we can use. We'll see what we have in the free open source IntelliJ IDEA and what we have in the Ultimate Edition. If you scroll down further on this page, you will see different options. So in commercial license, you will get these options, these features, in fact I would say, and in the open source you will get these options. So if you are working on a project which is based on simple Java and Gradle or Maven, and you want to use Git repository, so I would say then open source would be beneficial for you. And if you are trying to work on JavaScript or Java Enterprise Edition, Spring frameworks, those things, in that case you should go for commercial edition. So I'll be downloading this Community Edition because I would like to use this for API testing in REST assured. So I think I can go ahead with Community Edition, and that should be fine for me. And as I told you earlier, for different OS they provide different setup file. So I have Windows, so this Community Edition I will click on download. So let's try to click on this. Once you click on this, so downloading should start. So I think it's pretty simple. You have to go to the official site, or if you don't remember this address jetbrains.com, so in the google.com you could simply type IntelliJ IDEA download and you will be redirected to this link. And as you could see, thank you for downloading IntelliJ IDEA, and I think download should start in some time. So once you click on the download button, you will get this pop-up saying that where on which your system you want to store the application file. So its file is application type IDEA IC 209 1.3. I think this is the version 2019 1.3, and at this location under my E drive rest software folders I will save this setup file. I'll click on save,